So here we have a messenger bag. It's 15.6-inch waterproof wax canvas. It'll also be a computer bag, and it's genuine leather. It can also be used as a briefcase. If you're into leather bags and something that's built to last, well, this may be the bag for you. Let's go over the many features it has. First of all, it's a very attractive bag. You can't go wrong with the look. They call it a crazy horse cowhide, and it's got bronze tone hardware and gives it a classic look, almost like Indiana Jones style. Now here we have leather put in all the right places and in all different types of styles. The straps are magnetically connected, and they're very strong and sturdy. The handle of the bag can be used as a briefcase. The stitching is very good. It's very thick. Connectors look good. Everything aesthetic with this bag is very pleasing and very functional. Now, take a look at all the heavy stitching on this, and on the back we have this large pocket, and it's lined with a very soft feeling liner, and it's very good looking on the inside, if that's even possible. Now the strap has a nice padded shoulder strap, and it's nice enough to fit over any type of shoulder size, and it's well made. It won't be cutting into your skin if your bag gets heavy or you carry it for long hours. Now it's a right size for a nice size laptop. This is a 15.6-inch bag, so most laptops and notebooks would fit inside. And as you come to find out, on the inside of the bag there's a separate compartment just for a laptop that has a cushion lining, also has a strap with Velcro to keep the laptop secured in the bag. So this bag has 9 pockets. As you can see, the front ones fit a full-size hand, and on the inside you have the laptop sleeve. You have 2 big pockets on the inside, of course, with some pen holders. And you also have a separate compartment that has a sturdy zipper, and all the hardware is like real smooth zipper action, and it feels like it could last for years. It could be used as a messenger bag, briefcase, school bag, travel bag. It's great for college, business, work, travel, overnight. It has a key holder. This way your keys stay secure. They won't get lost outside the bag, and they won't sink down to the bottom of the bag, giving you a hard time finding them. And just handling this bag is very easy. All the zippers come with a nice leather loop. This way it's easy to handle, and the action is very smooth and secure. The straps are secured with cross stitching on leather patches, and it's just all around a great bag and a great deal. So if you're into messenger's bag, looking for a travel bag or a laptop bag, this is a very unique item that will last a really long time.